Hi there, welcome to SADESIGN channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add light trail and light effect in Photoshop. First, go to Image Size, change resolution to 40, OK. Select Color Range. In Select Review, choose Black Matte. Select Highlight in Select Box. Range 255. Freshness 69%. OK. Press Shift F6 to add 1 pixel of radius to the selection. Ctrl or Command J to take the selection to new layer. When I turn off the background layer, you can see the highlights area in the photo that we just selected. Right-click to Layer 1, choose Convert to Smart Object. This way helps to modify this layer non-destructively. Duplicate it with Ctrl or Command J. Add motion blur to it. Head to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Angle 90 degrees. Distance 2000 pixels. Confirm. Double effect by duplicate this layer with Ctrl J. Double click to Motion Blur to change its amount to 1000 pixels. Duplicate again, and this time change Motion Blur to 500 pixels. Now we already create the light trail. Select all these layers. Right-click and convert them all to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. Distance 200 pixels. OK. Click to Layer Mask icon to create a white mask to this active layer. Pick up Eraser tool. Make sure foreground color is white. Increase the size of brush and paint on the crown to remove the light effect in this area. The opacity is around 50%. Duplicate background layer. Convert it to Smart Object. Change blend mode from normal to screen. Head to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. 20 pixels. OK. Go to Image, Adjustments, Brightness, Contrast. Increase brightness and contrast to maximum. Then, Image, Adjustment, Levels. Drag mid-tone to 0.25. Decrease its opacity to 30%. In top layer, Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. 2 pixels. OK. Click to Adjustment icon, select Brightness, Contrast. Increase brightness to 11 and contrast to 31. Create a vibrant adjustment layer to enhance the color intensity. Increase vibrant to 55. Create a level adjustment layer. Choose Black Eyedropper tool and pick the darkest point in the photo. Change to White Eyedropper tool and pick the whitest point. Now add contrast to the image with Curve Adjustment layer by increasing highlight and decreasing shadow. We add color preset to the photo. Create a color lookup adjustment layer. Drop down 3D LUT file and select 3 strip. Decrease the opacity to 60%. Choose background layer. Create hue saturation layer. Decrease saturation to -49. Then press Ctrl or Command I to invert mask to black color. Use Blur tool. Opacity 50% and paint on the crowd to apply the effect. That's all for the tutorial. Hope that you like this video. If you do, hit like and subscribe buttons. Thanks a lot.